All right, guys, I'm out and about in the city. I got this guy following me around, a Flatiron building in front of me. We're checking it out. We're talking to people. It's been interesting so far. I realized this really early on that the camera freaks people out, and it just became a thing for me. All right, what am I gonna say or do to make this person look as interesting as they possibly can? And that's what my life has kind of been for the last 17 years. It's put a person in front of the camera, figure out how to make them look their best, but also figure out how to allow them to behave like themselves. Oh my God, that's gonna be amazing. So the minute somebody walks in the door, it's game on. And I'm meeting and greeting them like a normal human being, but in the background of my brain, I'm reading how their energy is, I'm seeing how nervous they might be or how comfortable they are. You're just kind of getting that while you're instantly trying to make them feel comfortable right off the bat and then find a connection. The thing that I found is that it doesn't really matter what you say between the moment that the person looks into your camera and you press the shutter. I don't care what I say or what I do or anything, I just care about the capture. Don't strangulate your nostrils. Ponder success of this photo shoot. I don't see you pondering, you need to ponder. There it is, there it is. Oh, shit, that's amazing. Everybody just relax, this is really freaking great. It's a lot more fun to try and get this mental disconnect, because if you're consciously thinking about your expression, it's never gonna be the real you. Most humans like to be right. So I will tell them to do things that are very difficult to do. Reticulate your eyebrows. Pinkle a little bit. And now try twinkling. Do the one with the leather pants on. I'm talking about the leather pants with the ass cut out. Finally. I'm like trying to pull a smile out of this guy. And for that nanosecond or whatever it is where I capture that, their face goes back to the way it would be as if the camera wasn't there, and I'm trying to capture that moment. I'm really just messing with them to see what they do with their face. A thought in your head when you're being photographed creates an interesting look on your face, and it draws attention from the onlooker. My use of therapy or direction, whatever you want to call it, during the shoot is not only directed towards getting that person to get the most attractive angle of their face, of the most attractive capture, it's also to convince that person that they are beautiful and find their beauty. I have a word. A shebang to me is simply an image that possesses this feeling that is the reason why I create as a photographer. So I yell shebang, you know, but I don't yell shebang if the person's not gonna feel like it's a shebang for them, you know? I want them to know that at that moment in their life that will never happen again, they were beautiful. I think that the human face is the most interesting thing to look at on the planet Earth because we're all so different. And if I can figure out somebody's face and really take a cold picture of them, then I've done something. And if I can make them feel proud of that picture, I've done even more. And if I can teach them something so that they can go out and look better in pictures for the rest of their life, I've really done something. Headshot. We got a headshot here. I got a headshot. Oh.